Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MMC could not create the snap-in on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download it. After getting download and select show in folder, right click on the downloaded zip file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the bat file and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to close Tafcan and now you can open the local security policy and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.